is gonna be more of the quality videos, because when I looked at the last couple videos, they weren't done properly. So therefore, I decided to start a new one, start from scratch. So today I find myself going to the Fuller's Car Wash off of 130 in Cicero to get this Black Beauty cleaned up. And after that, I'm gonna check out American Resale, because right now it's only $335, and therefore it's relatively too early for me to be going back to the house. Now, of course, you know, my mama always try to tell me, well, what time you plan on coming back? About 4:30, 5 o'clock. But I still have a little bit more time to be out before I have to go and run to some errands for her. So, like I told myself, I'm gonna clean up my car, and I'm also gonna visit American Resale, which is located off of 89th and Harlem in Bridgeview. So I'm gonna get this car clean, and I'm gonna check out American Resale, and after that, I'm heading back to the house. That's it. That's all. Capiche? Alright, so I'm up in here. I'm getting my car cleaned up and getting the works done to her. And after this, I'm going to go ahead and finish up and continue to do what I'm doing. Now, the thing is, when you come in a car wash is, I don't recommend anybody using a car wash, because sometimes they recycle a lot of water, and it seems as if your car is going to get dirty again. But you know, it's not every car wash does that. It's just a handful of them that I know of, and it's not a deal. What the hell? So that's the thing. We got a guy to the left of me who's directed me. I'm just putting my hand, you know, stepping it up a little bit, so therefore the car doesn't normally, because sometimes with the Grand Dams, the car tends to shut off on you, especially when you're, you know, in a car wash. And I try to address some of the issues with it, but sometimes the battery light would come on, and basically what you would have to do is you would put the car in park and start it up again, and basically take the key out and then put it back in. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm keeping it at 2,000 RPM, excuse me, and you know, therefore we wouldn't have issues, and I could just roll out of here whenever I please. But I gotta go through the duration of this car wash, and we'll be okay. Just like that, the car is clean. So I'm gonna go up in here, get my car cleaned up, wash it off, and that should be that. Damn, everything's all done. I don't know why you're looking for it. You might as well keep going. See what I mean? You got a bunch of idiots working the, well, just driving. But I do my own special cleaning in a minute. So I'm gonna go on over here and drive the car, clean it up, and that should be that. Let's park next to CP, shall we? A little bit more. Okay. So I just got through going through the car wash, and you know, I'm now gonna draw her off. Alright, y'all. So I just got this car cleaned up, and she looking good. Now I will tell you, there's a couple of errors here, especially on the side part. Like I said, I wouldn't be too worried about it. I do have this spare rim on there. I'm gonna take that off this week. So the next video that I post a video of this car, you probably won't see that. There's a couple things I'm gonna address while I, get her cleaned up and stuff. But not too bad looking. I mean, she may have a messed up paint job, but she does look good, especially on the rims and stuff like that. But more in the front that I like the most. But once I throw on that other STC hood, that's done. That's a wrap. So I'm gonna clean up my wheels and stuff, and I'll get back with you all shortly. Alright, y'all. So I decided just to clean up this car, stuff like that. But I'm looking at this Monte Carlo, and this caught my attention. The black shine on this car is just something else. And the windows may need to be cleaned, but I did him a favor and just cleaned up the side of his car for him, because at first it was real filthy. And put some tire shine on for him. So, but I just have to sit here and admire the car while he's taking care of his business up in the arena lanes. But this bitch is beautiful. I haven't seen a car that looks that clean, especially in Monte Carlo, in about the last 10 years or more. But this bitch is absolutely beautiful. Hell, it'll look better than my car, shit. The tire shine and everything on it. I gave him the JG special. But I decided not to go out to the American resale place. I'll do that tomorrow. But he got the treatment. So any one of my subscribers who want to get a JG special, reach up, hit me up, and I can give you a decent price. For now, JG signing off.